My name is Imanshu.
My name is Anushka. Ishika.
So we are here to find out the effect of COVID-19 on our mental and emotional health. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this one is a bit different. So today we are out on the streets and we are trying to ask people ki what has the lockdown taught them, and are they really happy with whatever going on, and in general, are they happy in life? So we are here to find out the effect of COVID-19 on our mental and emotional health. Hi sir, thank you for coming on to this video.
My name is Imanshu.
My name is Anushka. Ishika.
So the first question that we're going to ask is, what did COVID-19 teach you as a person?
Take care of yourself, be safe, follow norms. That's the most important lesson.
To be more disciplined in life. Actually, it has taught us to be disciplined in life, which we were not. I still worry whether we are, but definitely it has taught us that.
किसी भी चीज़ को सहन करने की शक्ति बढ़ाएं और उसको समझ के अपने जीवन में उतारें और उसको अपनाएं। ये है हमारा उद्देश्य और हमारा कर्तव्य। और जब जो चीज़ जहाँ मिलती है उसको समझना और उसको उपयोग में लाना ही जीवन है।
First of all, we should be self-dependable because the condition says a lot. Means there are less oxygen, then there is a problem of beds, too many problems. So first of all, that we have to protect ourselves. The first thing we should we should learn from COVID-19. Then the second thing is that the problem that a nation faces when a pandemic hits.
That we're still exposed to health risks and we don't take it that seriously. Now they've actually taught us bro, we're still vulnerable.
I think life's pretty short and you should just do whatever you want to right now. You aren't going to get an option.
And the second question we're asking is, how do you define happiness, and are you happy right now with everything that's going on?
खुशी क्या है? ये एक मनुष्य के लिए अपनी खुद की हैप्पीनेस है। और खुद को हैप्पीनेस कब आती है? जब वो कॉन्फिडेंस में आ जाता है। किसी भी कारण से, किसी भी चीज़ों से, किसी भी परिस्थितियों से, किसी भी प्रेमालाप से, किसी भी वार्तालाप से, जब वह आदमी अपने कॉन्फिडेंस में आता है तब उसको खुशी मिलती है, और खुशी ही हैप्पीनेस है।
So for me, happiness is my dogs. I have 2 dogs. So right now I'm happy. I'm chilling with them at home. I'm happy.
Happiness for me would be family and friends, and I won't say I'm entirely happy right now, but it's fine. I'm happy, but not in general.
But not in general means?
Actually, family says people have gone through COVID right now, even I'm recovering, so just because of that.
I make myself happy by just sometimes I read books, sometimes I play games like that, and sometimes I cook new dishes. That is something that everyone should do in this pandemic, and that there are many things, like we should sometimes come out and see the nature that is changing right now. Means the COVID pandemic has reduced the number of people outside, so of course there is less pollution outside, less pollution in the nature. So we should enjoy coming out and watching the nature.
Well, happiness is, I would say, taking things as they come and making the most of the situation. Like if you ask me what this lockdown has given me, I've been able to spend a lot of time with my son, which I haven't ever done in my life due to my work pressure. So yeah, take it as it comes. It's not in your hand. So there's no point in worrying over it unnecessarily. That's it.
Thank you. Ma'am?
Same. Happiness is how you perceive it. For me, happiness can be something. For other, it can be something else. So happiness is how you perceive. And definitely COVID-19, the situation is such that yes, we cannot be happy. But in this situation, whatever best can be done, so we have to make the best of it and be happy. Otherwise, that's the thing. In this situation, if we break down, then we will not be able to go ahead from here.
স্যার আপনার কি খবর, মানে এই যে করোনার জন্য যে লকডাউন হচ্ছে, আপনার কি বক্তব্য? স্যার, আরে স্যার উত্তর দিন না, স্যার উত্তর দিন না, আরে স্যার।